Manani and Kush. Today we are showing you how to make paper aeroplanes with my father. And this is my brother Kush. Say
You
hi.
want to fly this? Yeah, see.
Oh.
Oh, how this slide?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is very simple to make the rocket. We need only
paper.
a paper. Okay. You guys, kids, if you guys are watching.
Let's see who makes the better one.
Okay, fine. Okay. Can I play this?
Father.
He will not let us to make rocket.
Yes.
Okay, I'll fly. Okay. Oh, woo, take it. Okay.
Daddy versus me. Let's see who makes the nicer
Do you
one.
know how to make it?
Yeah. I'm making a different one. You're making a different one.
Okay, fine. Okay, wanna fly? Make it fly. Oh. Okay. He already has one racket. Okay.
He
And
wants
we will
to make one.
we will make it for yourself. You make it for yourself. I'll make it for myself.
Yes. And he will
Okay.
just.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. Let him bring. Okay. See, we need to fold the paper like this first. Okay.
Yeah.
Like this. And we have to fold one more fold like this.
Yeah, I did the same, but mine will be different.
Okay. Can you see this?
I know to make 3 types.
Huh? Okay. Like this, we need to fold. And while we were kids, no, that time we used to play with this rocket only. That time we did not have any mobile, we did not have that much money to, play with the buy the toys. Okay, okay, fine. See, 1, 2, 3, go!
It didn't.
Okay, we did not have that much money to buy toys. That time we used to play with this kind of paper
You
rocket.
can say your story later.
Later, okay.
And I will fold it like this. And then I will fold.
Wow, you are making longer rocket, right?
Yeah.
Lengthy one.
Yeah.
This. 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay.
Okay, now come sit.
He's-
Sit.
I think mine is almost ready.
Fly. Okay, I'll make it fly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, he's not letting us to do. See here, I did fold like this. After that, we have to fold off paper like this. Okay.
And I did it like this, the both side, and I'm folding like this.
Mine one is shorter one. Manani is doing lengthier one rocket. Okay. I'm going to do the same one what I am holding right now. He is enjoying a lot with this rocket.
He will enjoy more in mine.
Kids need to prepare your own rocket like this and make it fly like this. Okay. Woo!
Still did not land in the airport.
Very simple step. One fold and second fold like this and another one like this and another one same as its previous one, right? Like that only like this.
I made it.
Okay. Okay, fine. Ready? What I need to do? What should I do?
Bye bye.
Huh? What should I do?
Throw it.
Huh?
Yes, see.
Fly? Okay. I'll throw it. Go! And after folding that, we need to fold like this to lock the paper. If you lock this and it will not, get separate. It will stay properly. Then fold it like this. Wow, almost your rocket is done. Huh? No. Okay, give me. See, almost your racket is done like this. Okay. Oh.
And I have
Done. Go,
and
bring it.
mine, I have to fold it like this.
Mm.
And open, do it in the both sides.
Where did you learn this?
I do it all the time.
Hmm?
I do it all the time with my friends.
Ah, in the school.
No,
Huh?
with my friend Bhuvan.
Okay. Fine. Now I'll final one. My final fold is going to happen right now. See this? Like this, I did fold, and another one like this. Okay. It is done.
We will also try to make a bow. Mine's also ready.
Manani has done this rocket longer one. I had made.
A tiny one.
I did this one. Okay. We'll see now which one will go faster and which one will fly longer time.
The old one crashed, so there is a black mark.